Hey guys, welcome back to Bijou Skin YouTube. This is Sarah, your licensed esthetician. So today I just needed a little pick-me-up, so I decided to give myself a mini facial. So stay tuned. So like I said, this is a mini facial. So I just started with microdermabrasion. I had needed a good exfoliation, and I wanted to try out my Glymed Mandelic, I think it's called Peptide Perfection Peel. I did a very thin layer, did not do what the recommended peel dosage is, but I do like the effects. I've done it on clients and I love it on clients, but this was just small. So, of course, with a peel, you always want to remove with cool cloths. It just makes everything feel so much better. But this is not a very intense peel anyways. It just used 5% mandelic and 5% lactic. So it's really good for anti-aging, dark spots, and fine lines. Afterwards, I go in and just kind of do like a deep clean, extractions, and then I just finish it off with my favorite sunscreen, the Image Ultimate Sunscreen, especially since it's getting cold. I love, love, love it. And I just want to show you my nice little glow. You know, I'm all up in my mirror, but here I am, just a nice refreshed look. And thank you again for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, drop them in the comments, and also check out the description for more details.